How's it going? Ryan here. And today I'm back with a little bit of a different review because I didn't actually take any trades. I'll get into why I didn't trade today, but first we're on the daily time frame here. The levels I have charted are the same levels I've had for a while, so nothing new here. We can dive into the 15-minute chart and we'll look at the high and the low of yesterday's trading session as well as the supply zone that we have up here. We had some pretty good demand in here. I didn't chart that, but that was an area I was watching, as well as the low and these zones from the pre-market. So the low of the pre-market, this 447.8, and then this double top that we had in the pre-market at 448.29. So those were the levels I was looking at. We were trading within yesterday's range. Also have CPI data coming in tomorrow. So figured that today would be a little bit choppy, a little bit low volume. There were some moves to be made. Absolutely some trades that you could have taken today. But we'll look at why I did not trade right now. So we opened up, tested this 446.76 level, immediately ripped up and came up to this pre-market level 447.8. We touched it once. Typically, I'd wait for one confirmation. So if we had come up and retested it again. But we started to get a bit of choppy action here. You could see we were just ranging back and forth, kind of unpredictably. From here, we broke down and came all the way down to that pre-market low. I guess tested the low of yesterday, but found support at that pre-market low of 446.6. From there, we kind of chopped around. Another thing that I was looking for potentially was calls on a bounce from this area, just a quick scalp. I didn't take it, so didn't get in on that, but that was something else I was looking for. That obviously you could have scalped a quick call off of it, but we didn't get a move in that direction until later in the day. From here, we kind of formed a little flag. Came down, formed a little bit of a flag, and then broke and tested that 446.17 level. There we found support, and that ended up being, well, not the low of the day, actually. That ended up being the low of this swing. From here, we rallied up, eventually made our way up all the way to 448.5. From there, we sold off into the day. So the levels played out. Some of this chop early in the morning, I didn't want to trade it. Maybe it was because I was coming off of a few days off of trading and I felt a little rusty or perhaps hesitant to take a trade. But I did not trade anything in here. I did not trade anything in here. And by this point, I was logging off for the day as I only trade usually the first hour or so. But that's what we were looking at. I really didn't see the movement that I wanted to see in here. We had pretty low volume. And just kind of, like I said, chopping in that range. So overall, there were some moves to be made, but in the morning, things felt a little clunky, so I didn't want to take any risk. Tomorrow's CPI, though, that's probably going to be a big volatile day, so I definitely will be trading that and looking to score a good one on that. So if you made it this far, I appreciate you. Thank you for tuning in. I trade live Monday through Friday. Come watch if you feel so inclined. I appreciate you. I hope you have a great day. Peace.